Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі студенти! Мене звати Інна. My name is Інна. Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In today's video, I'm going to explain you the difference between such Ukrainian adverbs as тут-там, сюди-туди, and звідси-звідти. But before we start, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. Ну що, почнімо? Let's get started. Many of my beginner students misunderstood the usage of these Ukrainian adverbs. But today I'm going to explain you what are their meanings and how to use them correctly in the context. Let's start with the first pair of adverbs, тут and там. Тут means here, tam means there. So we use these two adverbs when we need to talk about the location. Я тут. I'm here. Ти там. You're there. We can ask the question де. Where? Де я? Where am I? Я тут. Де ти? Where are you? Ти там. The next pair, сюди-туди. We also translate these adverbs from Ukrainian into English as here and there. But they mean the direction of movement. So, for example, ми йдемо сюди. Ми йдемо сюди. We are coming here. Or, for example, вони йдуть туди. They are going there. And here we can ask the question куди? Where to? For example, куди ми йдемо? Where are we going to? Ми йдемо сюди. We are coming here. Куди вони йдуть? Where are they going to? Вони йдуть туди. They are going there. Again, guys, тут, там, we use them when we talk about the location and we ask the question де, where, сюди, туди, we use when we need to indicate direction of movement and we use the question куди, where to. And the last pair of adverbs are звідси and звідти. Звідси-звідти. So we use them when we need to indicate a point of departure. So звідси from here, звідти from there. Так? For example, ми їдемо звідси. We are going from here. And їдемо, it means to go by means of transport. Ми їдемо звідси. We are going from here. Ми їдемо звідти. We are going from there. We are going from there. And we can ask the question here звідки? Where from? Звідки ми їдемо? Ми їдемо звідси. Звідки ми їдемо? Ми їдемо звідти. Okay, so guys, please write in the comments below your own with examples with these adverbs and I will check it out. And what are the pair words are confusing for you? Also, please, you can mention in the comments below and I will record a new video lesson for you. If you want to learn Ukrainian language professionally, then I invite you to check out my website at speaky.com. At my school Speak Ukrainian, you can book a trial lesson just for $1 and have a 30-minute lesson with a professional native teacher who can help you to determine your level of Ukrainian language, set up your goals, and give you a study plan. And guys, on the 9th of September, I'm going to launch my course from an absolute beginner to confident speaker again. You're welcome to join it. Thank you so much to my patrons. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. I appreciate it so much. Дуже дякую. Your teacher Інна, ваша вчителька Інна, and па-па, bye-bye.